Hello everyone, welcome back to Femica. This is Megha Mukherjee here and I am giving you some 2023 inspo for Lohri. And I promise to bring you guys such amazing easy tutorials only if you promise me to subscribe to this channel right now. So hit the subscribe button right now so you never miss any videos from me. So as I already told you, today's look is going to be this Lohri look and it is coming pretty soon on 13th January. And obviously I wanted to create a super amazing makeup look for the same. If you don't know what Lohri is, it is a Punjabi festival and it is celebrated one day before Makar Sankranti. And if you don't have any idea about Lohri, then it is basically a harvesting festival celebrated to honor the crop Rabi. And also it is celebrated around a bonfire where people offer til to the fire. If you have ever seen Veer Zara, you know exactly what I'm talking about. I am pretty sure we all wanted to wear that suit that Priti Zinta wore and then dance on that particular song with Shah Rukh Khan. Anyway, enough about my childhood fantasies. Let me show you how to get this makeup look.
मेकअप से पहले नेल्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट तो मैंने करवा लिए हैं मैचिंग नेल्स अपने सूट के साथ. Now I'm gonna start with the makeup look. I started off with a very hydrating water-based primer. My face was already moisturized, so I'm just starting off directly with the primer. And you can see the happiness in my face because I have really dry skin and I enjoy a good hydrating primer. For any festive look, it is really important to have that glow. So next product will be a strobing cream and I'm going to apply it on all the high points of my face. And you can see this is why I apply it. It just gives the most amazing glistening glow. And again, it goes on all the high points of the face. I always teach everyone to have control over their foundation because it is going to give you the most seamless look. So here I am also following the same thing. I always like to start off with a smaller section and smaller quantity of foundation as I'm doing here right now. This gives me a lot of control over how my skin is gonna look. So I can control if I want a full coverage, I want a lighter coverage. You guys are getting the point, right? After foundation, I'm going in with a concealer and I'm going in with a brightening concealer. Lohri is a nighttime function, so you can go all out with your makeup. And I am using it on all the regular points basically. The trick with your concealer or any product when it comes to makeup is blending. If you blend it right, your skin is gonna look amazing and your makeup is gonna turn out flawless. Add some shade and shadow to my skin because naturally to hai nahi. That is why contouring comes to the rescue. I am using a cream contour. If you remember, I did not apply a powder yet because I knew I had to do a cream contour. So now I'm going in with a sponge, blending it out. I like this contour. It looks so good and you will see it just cuts the face and I love it. So much shape it will give to my face. And also I'm using it on my nose too. If you are scared that you can't use your fingers, definitely go in and use a brush, but just because I'm a pro, a little flex, so I can use my fingers and get it done. Now I'm gonna set my face, so I'm using a powder puff and some translucent powder and I'm gonna set my entire face. I will recommend you guys to use some HD powder if you are ever gonna get under any sort of flash photography, especially at night. Moving on to the eyes, first I'm gonna create a base. I'm just using a normal skin color shade. Then I will move into some crease color. So here you are seeing the crease color is basically 1 or 2 shades darker than my skin color. It will just help me to have a transition shade. After the transition shade, I'm going to go in with a very neutral brown. As you can see, the brown is actually almost like cool tone and I'm going to use it on the outer corners, plus I'm going to deepen my crease with it. As it is a nighttime function, we have full pass of using glitter and shimmery shades. So that is exactly what I'm doing here with the pink shade that goes all over the lids. Definitely wanted to define my eyes more, but I did not want a harsh liner. That is why I went on with some black eyeshadow instead of a liquid or a gel eyeliner, and I do like this look more. Moving back to my face, a little tip for you as I'm applying the blush. As you can see, this look is almost like a monochromatic look. I am wearing pink, I have pink on my eyes. So on my cheeks, I will maintain the undertone of the pink color too. So it's the same pink that I have on my eyes and my clothes. So of course, I'm gonna highlight my face. Without highlighter, none of the festive looks are gonna go well. It's time for the lipstick, but first of course I'm gonna use a lip liner. So here I'm using a brown lip liner. I usually go in with browns. I just like how they look, or it's just a face. I am not sure, but after that I decided to go in with a brighter pink. But if you know me, you know that I will definitely not use this color, so I did go over a nude color, and actually that color neutralized the look, and I really like it. As you can see, it will just transform the lipstick, and that is a trick for you. I'm pretty sure a lot of people know this. Now the tragedy with my hair is that I chopped my hair just a few days ago, and I do not have the hair that I need to, do a proper Punjabi hairstyle. So I just tried my best, and yeah, you be the judge of it. So first of all, I just used some dry shampoo to have a little bit of volume. Then I took front pieces, twisted them around. It's basically very jugaru, I'll be very honest with you, because I don't have the hair that I need for the look. But anyway, I think for the camera it looked okay. So anyway, I'm just twisting the hair. I'm just gonna pin it, and then I'm gonna make a braid. The braid turned out hideous, I'm not kidding. So yeah, you can see I have layers, so it's not even a braid, but I made it work. Maybe, I don't know. Comment down below and let me know. I mean, let's just ignore the entire hair situation and focus on these beautiful earrings. Now I chose silver earrings because my dress also has silver accents in it, so it was just looking really good, I think, and that is the completed look. Do let me know if you guys like it.
So as you guys saw, my hair is definitely not cooperating with me, but it's okay. Here we come to an end of this video. We hope you liked it, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel. Now you know what you're signing up for, so you must do it. For clean, safe, organic beauty products, you can always shop at Femica. Do check out all the products that are going to be mentioned in the description box below. And you can join our community and welcome yourself to the world of clean, safe, organic beauty and wellness. And you can do so by connecting with us through all our social media platforms, the links to which are either on your screen or definitely mentioned in the description box. I will see you guys very soon with another amazing video. Only if you promise to subscribe and meet me again. Till then, take care. I'll see you very soon. Bye.
So guys, here's the end. Hope you liked the video. Visit femica.com now. Check out all clean and safe products and dive into the world of clean beauty. Thanks for watching the video.